What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Matic again. Had to cover it. I mean, as most of you know, Matic and Polygon is one of my favorite projects, but it has been quite bearish since basically the start of the bearish momentum on Wednesday. Has dropped down a whopping 17% right now. And there are some reasons behind that, I think, and I wanted to go over that, tell you about them. I think it's good that you know that, but apart from that, I mean, right now, it is starting to look like Matic could lose its top 10 position. It's nowhere close, but there are some things, as I said, I'll tell you in this video, that could point towards that. So, before we talk about Matic, we'll talk about the technicals as well and just in general what I expect. If you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now to Matic. So what you can see is that we basically found almost no support. I mean, you can see that initially we found some support at 1.07. We found support at 1.04, some support at around $1, which you should expect. It's a huge psychological support level, but apart from that, not a lot. And we have been reacting very heavily to bearish momentum from Bitcoin. So altogether, Matic is quite bearish at this point in time. We're nearing our support level right here between 95 and 97 cents. But before we talk about whether we can hold that or not, I wanted to show you some things right now, which could be the reason why Matic and Polygon are not performing so well. So if you take a look at some network statistics, what you can see is that basically since the beginning of April, the daily active addresses have been in a, well, I don't like to call it this way, but have almost been in a free fall. And we haven't seen these levels in a very long time. If you take a look at the last 6 months, you can see that the last time we hit these levels, I'm not sure, like we hit a 252,000. Last time we hit that was the 14th of February, but before that it's been a long time. This is the last 6 months, so we only hit that twice in the last 6 months. Even though the market, I mean, on the short term it's bearish, but it wasn't that bearish last week, right? And daily transactions, same thing. Lowest level we've been in the last 6 months. Total value locked is still holding up fairly well. It's dropping a bit together with the price, but there's nothing wrong about that. So I guess that's still fine, but the daily active addresses and the daily transactions do say something about the state of Polygon. Then you can also see the Polygon ZK EVM. It's still growing in total value locked, but it's a little bit of an underwhelming start, I think. So yeah, the fundamentals behind the network are not that amazing, and that together with that bearish momentum that we're seeing in the market, I expect that to continue dropping down to, like, if we take Bitcoin as the market, I at least expect a drop down to 26,700. And I even think that at the current moment, I think the most likely scenario is a drop down to 25,000 as well. So what that would mean for Matic is quite a lot of bearish momentum. Our next support level, as I said, is around 95, 94, 90, 96 cents. Here you can see on the daily time frame, it's a little bit more reliable. You can see that there is a strong support level, and I think that will hold. All right, I think initially that will hold, but eventually, I mean, if Bitcoin really drops down to 25,000, I think there's quite a big chance that Matic can drop down to 90 cents as well. But for now, the most likely scenario is some support at 97 cents and then a continued drop to 95 and 94 cents. And I do think we will be able to hold that for a period of time. But I'll monitor it closely. I'll keep you updated on it, of course. And yeah, so yeah, we're not looking too great at this point in time. What you can also see is that right now, for example, Matic is already at the low, it's almost already at the lows we made the 11th and the 10th of March, even though Bitcoin is nowhere near that low. So that does say something about the relative strength to the market as well. But that's my take on Matic for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.